Hiya. So, one of the hardest questions anyone's ever asked me about my music is, who do you sound like? What genre is it? The answer is, I have no idea at all. But I thought you might. So, a little competition. Have a little listen to this medley that will appear shortly. And get back to me via Facebook post, email, carrier pigeon, whatever works for you. And let me know what you think. And if I agree with you, I like it, makes me laugh, you can win yourself a free copy of my new EP, Sometimes Birds Fall Before They Fly. So have a little listen and don't forget to let me know what you think. Thanks.
Now make your move and entertain. Naively we begin again, constructing our next cage. To keep our sharks at bay, we hide ourselves beneath the waves and hear those soldiers say, where's my money? Where's the money? Where's your money? Nothing changes. Crossing the dot, oh yeah. No, we're not being told well. Nobody tells us what to do. No one apart from us. Top pocket pick. Too much left, some insist. Let it go, don't exist. Right, endless days, don't forget that we haven't slept yet. Open eyed, there's no rest.
Hey, thanks for listening, and don't forget to let me know what you think. What genre am I? Who do I sound like? Let me know by email, Facebook post, carrier pigeon, telepathic communication. Whatever works for you is fine with me. Look forward to hearing from you. Bye.